From the Himalayas in the north to the Nilgiris in the south. For a century, little trains have climbed through the clouds into the world of the Indian hill railways. This is one of the last coal-powered steam railways in the world. Every day, the Nilgiri mountain railway carries passengers into the blue hills of South India. This line is powered not just by steam, but by love and devotion as well. Despite huge losses, coal shortages and monsoon landslides, this little railway struggles on. Fondly known as the toy train, it plays a huge part in many lives. The British built this hill railway and others in North India to escape the dust and the heat and the responsibilities of empire. The Nilgiri mountain railway goes to Udagamandana in South India, more commonly known as Ooty. Today, the 26-mile journey takes 5 hours, but the line took 17 hard years to build. India's hill railways are engineering marvels, now recognized by UNESCO as World Heritage Railways. These tracks are the steepest in all Asia, with a gradient of 1 in 12. This train crosses 250 bridges and runs through 16 tunnels, taking tourists from India and across the globe to another world. For a century, the Nilgiri mountain railway has been driven by steam and sustained by love and dedication. And as long as this train runs to Ooty, it will continue to win the hearts of all who ride it.